Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and another video about immigrating to Canada for those who are pursuing immigration or looking into immigrating to other countries. I've started a whole new chapter about immigration to Canada on my channel. My channel is actually about clinical pharmacy practice, but because of all the requests I received from many of you who are willing to immigrate to Canada, I had to start a new chapter on my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you which website you should go to apply for immigration in the first place. The actual original official website for Immigration Canada. There's only one website. Of course, you'll find so many fake websites on the internet. This is the official one. So in order not to get scammed, there are so many people scamming people that are looking for immigration, whether it's to Canada or to the United States or any other country. It doesn't matter. There are many scammers out there on the internet. So I wanted to bring to you the actual website. So whether you're a pharmacist, a pharmacy technician, or any profession, doesn't matter. Whatever you do, even if you don't work at all, this is the website where you would go to apply for either immigration or refugee status or whatever, or even visas if you want to visit Canada, work visas, and all sorts of information is on this website, and even the application forms are on the website. So basically, I'm going to leave the link in the description, but this website is cic.gc.ca. And again, look in the description, you'll find that link over there. I'll say it once again, it's cic.gc.ca. And I believe the CIC stands for Canada Immigration and Citizenship, and the GC is Government of Canada, and CA is, of course, a Canadian, a Canadian website. Once you click that website into your browser, it will take you to this page. It will look like this. It says English or Francais, so whatever language you speak. Most of us speak English, so I'm going to click on English. It will take me to this page here, and this website, I should say, is one of the most complicated websites on the internet. Now, yes, it is the only official website, but the way they arranged the information on this website makes it so confusing for so many people, including myself. So when I try to browse this website, it took me hours to try to extract one single information. Each page you click on will take you to another page, and then you click another page and it takes you to a third page, and so on. So it's not very easy to navigate. However, you don't have a choice. It's either apply on this website or get an immigration consultant or a lawyer who is experienced with these things and let them do it for you, but then they will charge you a lot of money. But when you apply on your own on this website, you save thousands of dollars. I'm not kidding. It's thousands of dollars that you save, because the application form will probably cost you a few $100, depending on how many people are immigrating, you and your wife, your kids, or only you. And then at the end of the process, you might get charged a few $100 for a medical exam, and then a couple of $100 again at the end of the process to get your permanent residence card. So there's no comparison. But the only thing is, when you hire a immigration consultant, they know the process. So basically, you don't do anything. You sit in your house and don't do nothing until only answer their questions whenever they have a question, or provide paperwork whenever they need it. But that's it. Yeah, they do everything for you. So the convenience is if the convenience is a thing, then hire a immigration consultant. While if you can do it yourself, you don't need anyone. And as I said, when you look at this first page here, it has some brief information here: Ukraine, Afghanistan. But then down here you'll see services and information, and then my application. If you're new on the website, then you don't have an application, so forget about this. This is basically for people who have already signed up and have an application on this website with Immigration and Citizenship Canada. Visit, basically, as it means, if you're visiting Canada, then you apply. You click on this one. It will take you to a page that will probably show you how to apply for a visit visa, information about COVID. Down here, find out if you need a visa, apply for a visitor visa, apply for an electronic travel authorization, transit through Canada. All the information you need will be on this page if you're visiting or transiting in Canada. Let's go back to the previous page. Immigrate is what you need because if you're applying for immigration, because this is basically this is what will show you or give you all the information about immigrating to Canada. Work, if you're willing to apply for a work visa. Study, if you're willing to apply for a study visa. Citizenship, if you're applying for citizenship. New immigrants, that's probably people who are here already and they need some services as new immigrants. Canadians, this is for Canadians whether they're here or abroad and they need some information. And then down here you'll see a link for refugees and asylum. And finally, enforcement and violations. There are a lot of more information on the website that you can familiarize yourself with. Express entry is what I talked about before. This is the fastest way to immigrate to Canada, I believe. And when you click on Immigrate here, of course, I'm going to go through each and every one of these separately in other videos, but this video is to quickly show you the actual website that you need to familiarize yourself with. Express entry is one. Family sponsorship is there too. Provincial nominees is another way to immigrate. Quebec selected skilled workers is another way to immigrate. And then there's the Atlantic Immigration Program. There's a program for only caregivers. So if you're a caregiver too, they have an accelerated program for you. Startup visa, I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's a startup business. So if you want to immigrate as a businessman, they have a special program here. Or immigrate as a self-employed person. Agriculture program. Yeah, there are so many programs here. Temporary resident to permanent resident pathway. So even if you have a visitor visa, you can convert that to a permanent residence visa. A special pathway for Hong Kong residents, so people from China, refugees. Yeah, and you can even appeal your immigration decision. Let's say they refused to grant you permanent residence, you can appeal here. It's a very big website. It's not an easy one to navigate, but I wanted to show you this website to you because this is, first of all, this is the official website, so you should know which one is official, which one is fake. You'll find so many other websites that are fake. Some of them even look exactly like this one. And what I want from you, there will be a lot of videos about this in the future. I'm going to show you the step-by-step what to do. But what I want from you today is to navigate through the website, read as much information as possible on each of these, whatever interests you. So if you're interested in immigration, read on the immigration page, go to Express Entry, read more about it. You see, every page you'll go, you'll find more links that will take you to another page and so on. This website will take you hours to just understand what's going on in it. So yeah, navigate the website, Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll have more videos about each and every link here on this website and what to do step by step. So we're gonna do it step by step as if we're applying for immigration, so that you would know how to do it with ease without any complications. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day.